Have you ever checked your phone without even knowing why? Alex has. Alex checked her phone 147 times yesterday, not to make her life better, just to feel okay. But what she didn't realize? One word explained why her brain kept pushing her back over and over to the screen. In the next few minutes, you'll learn that word and 4 more that could reset your own mind. This is Brain Espresso. Meet Alex, 28 years old, rising marketing manager. Each morning starts with an avalanche. Instagram, TikTok, news alerts, emails. She's clever. She's successful. She feels busy, even proud. But something is missing. Without her phone, anxiety bubbles up. A study shows the average person unlocks their phone 96 times daily. Alex is well above average. But why? One answer: dopamine. Dopamine isn't pleasure. It's the chemical that makes you crave. Chasing notifications, likes, new memes. You feel urgent, but not fulfilled. When Alex first learned about dopamine, she imagined cutting herself off would fix everything. But after one day, nothing changed long term. Dopamine is not the enemy. Misunderstanding is. Here's the second word: tolerance. When your brain is hit by waves of dopamine every hour, it needs more to feel the same effect. Like coffee. After 1 cup stops working, you need 2 or 5. Alex's tolerance was sky high. Basic stuff, reading a book, talking to friends, felt dull. If you push dopamine too far, everything else fades to gray. So Alex did the unthinkable. She attempted a full detox, breaking away from everything. For 72 hours, detox meant 72 hours without her phone, social feeds, or YouTube. Day 1, pure agony. Alex kept reaching for her phone, only to find it wasn't there. Boredom set in. But instead of escaping, she sat with it. Here's the third word: detox. Detox isn't just quitting everything. It's stepping back long enough to reset your system. Alex had underestimated her cravings. She felt bored, then frustrated. But after a day or two, something happened. Alex noticed quietness. She ate breakfast without distractions. She walked without music, and her mind wandered slowly, like it hadn't in years. Which leads to the fourth word: boredom. Boredom isn't a disease. It is the space where creativity and clarity are reborn. Alex started doodling. She wrote ideas that had been lost in the static. On day 3, she picked up an old book. She devoured 2 chapters without ever feeling the urge to check her notifications. Once her brain had some time away from the hits, pleasure began to return to simple moments. Her friends saw the change. Alex was calmer, more focused, and it lasted. What did she gain? The 5th word: resilience. Resilience means you bounce back from discomfort and grow stronger. By pushing through those first hard days, Alex rebuilt her ability to enjoy the basics: conversations, music, work, play. Alex's journey isn't magic. It was a choice, backed by science and grit. If you're watching, you've probably felt distracted or worried you're wasting your own time. That's not a flaw. It's how dopamine intolerance work. But you can change it. Try a 24-hour detox this week. Embrace boredom. Comment below with one of today's 5 words: dopamine, tolerance, detox, boredom, resilience. Tell me, what's your 72-hour challenge? If you want more stories and more words, subscribe for weekly doses of Brain Espresso. 5 words, real transformation. Today's words: dopamine, the brain's reward chemical; tolerance, needing more for the same effect; detox, stepping back to recalibrate; boredom, silence, that breeds creativity, resilience, strength built through discomfort. Find your focus, learn your words, transform your story. See you next time.